Alright, what's going on, guys? Today we got the sport track in the garage again, and today what we're doing is, see, I got one already up there. We got some roof bars. These are just from Princess, but I picked them up from Value Village. $20 for them, not bad, not bad. Fuck. I think I'm just gonna have to put the one on. Because the light bar. Oh no, we're at the C. Anyway, so it comes with these triangle shaped keys. You just unscrew it. Already got the ones from the top off. So you just get the Allen key and you just crank it back tight. Not terribly hard. Gotta get them on real good and tight, because these are gonna withstand the wind of highway speeds, even if you are, and especially if you're going directly into the wind or whatnot. Let's go to the passenger side now. Oh, still got some play in it. Oh God. Kind of ridiculous how much you gotta turn them, but don't want them flying off. Well, needs to tighten a bit more, so I'll get back to when it's all tightened. Then you just, once you got that on all four corners tightened, you just tighten up the bar, get them level, get them sticking out the same. I mean, then it's just a 5mm Allen key right there. Well, 5 something, that's what it says in the size of them. Should be millimeters. And then you just thread these caps back on, the anti-theft caps. And yeah, that's how it's done. So that's how you put on a roof rack. Hell yeah.